you are going to learn how it is to craft with Jasmine. Hold on one sec.
Huh?
Almost there. There. The first step, get a big sheet of paper. If you get it, just let me know. Get some stickers that looks like eyes or use googlies. Short for googly eyes. And here's how you make a unicorn paper. First up, you're going to need pencil. The first thing you're going to need is something to draw on, something to color with, and something to draw on. Come on.
Okay.
Go. But I need to show you this pencil. I mean, look at this pen. It doesn't really work anymore, but the pen ink does not look, it's not usable anymore. You might be like, Jasmine, seriously, pens are made to do this.
Duh.
Next, well, the first step, you don't have to add the eyes. So, add a horn. You could do it diagonally or vertically. AKA, I don't know what those mean, but whatever. The first thing we're going to need is a horn and hair. If it's a girl, add it with long hair. If it's a boy, add it with cool hair. The thing that we're going to use is this same sheet. Oh, whoops. Next, we are going to make a face. And then add some straight lines down. This is how I am so far. If you want to, you can pause the video. I like adding lots of swirls. So add lots of them if you want really long hair also in the back. Next, add 2 short rectangles. Kinda like this. Then make 1 hump on each side. And do that again 2 times. So then it looks like this. And there we have 1 nail and the other. Make 1 huge star so that it matches with her eyes. Remember, if you got these eyes, use them. But when I tell you to, only do it.
Okay.
We're going to get a cute smile. So let's add 1 little smile like this. But if you want to make it cool, you can make it cool. You can make it cooler. Next up, we're going to have to add the eyes and the nose. You're going to be like, okay, now it's time for ears and nose. Yay! But don't rush it. If you want, you can add a little earring. I don't have earrings, see? And then, time for the fun bit. You're probably like, yay! Now it's time to glue the eyes. And you are correct! You're going to have to open up this bag. Next, if it's too hard to open, use some scissors. Be careful when you're cutting. If you're a little too old to have big kid scissors, ask an adult.
Okay.
Here are the eyes that you're supposed to use. Get ready for the best thing of your life.
What?
It's hard taking off stickers when you really, really like them. Okay, now that we've done the face one, I joke.